Hey guys, it's me, Colorful Feathers Creature, and I'm here right now at Shore One C1 Tower, and I'm meeting my classmate, high school. We know each other for a long, long time, and she is also an artist, the same like me.
Yeah, I
Mm.
really like Cheryl's artwork. She's the
Yeah.
best. She's such a great artist.
Yeah, I still remember when in the high school times, we used to talk, and then I used to have a walkie-talkie, and we listened to some people who are talking at the background,
Yeah.
But I'm going to miss you.
Me too.
Mhm.
Well, we're gonna see each other again.
Yeah.
For sure. Cheryl is. I remember her being a really great singer when we were in high school.
Yeah, I don't sing
Yeah.
anymore.
You still are a good singer. Great
Oh,
singer.
yeah. Speaking of an artist, I'm. Do you remember Rani Raimundo? The Yeah, Rani Raimundo. He is a singer also. I gave also one of my artworks to him. He's also an artist too.
Oh.
Yeah, he was making a statue, and my God, it was really nice.
Is he still active?
He's still active, and I met a lot of artists. But you are amazing. I've seen your
You're
paintings.
amazing.
Can you show us your painting, please?
Oh my gosh.
Guys, this is an artist also, just like me. Okay.
Just some of them.
Okay, I'll just remove this one. Okay. So.
This is just one of them.
Okay.
But I think Cheryl is more talented than me.
Guys, take a look. This one is beautiful.
It's just a hobby.
Remember, take a look at the combination of the colors. It's playing, And then what else? What else do you have?
So I'm more into texture. I love creating texture and just I'm very spontaneous with my art. I don't like structures.
This one looks real, guys. Take a look. The dragonfly. Oh
Yeah.
my God, I like it.
I found a dead dragonfly, so I took a picture and I just started painting it.
And what else? Yeah, this one looks vintage, like panahon ng Kastila.
That's right. Well, I was inspired by the movie Secret Garden
Yeah.
and also Great Expectations.
Mhm.
That movie.
Yes.
Have you seen that
Yeah,
movie?
yeah.
I love that movie.
Mhm.
So with was it Ethan Hawke and
Yeah.
Gwyneth Paltrow?
Yes, yes.
So they were in the like a old castle, like a
Mhm,
paradiso,
yeah. Mhm.
and so I was so inspired with
Yeah.
the fountain.
Mhm.
That's how they met when they were
Yes,
little.
yeah.
So yeah. So
This
anyways,
one is
this
amazing, guys. Oh my God, this one I really like.
You really
See?
like this?
Yeah, because for me, I'm having a hard time to color too much.
Yeah?
Because I'm too busy, Sometimes I have a pets, taking care of my parrots. Hmm.
I I I think that's the only thing I can do actually, just color.
You're very good in colors.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love this one. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,
So
this one
this
is
is-
amazing,
this
guys.
is just a
Yeah,
pastel.
you
So yeah, it's a pastel.
see? Mhm.
And this one, this is an
Oh.
old art.
I love this one. You see, guys?
This is like 2003.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 2003. I think that's it. Oh, this is my friend's
Yeah,
art.
yeah. This one
Artwork.
is realism. It's a
Yeah.
good example for art drawing.
His name is Ferdy Acuna. He's
Yeah.
very
Mhm.
famous right now.
Yeah.
He has his display um, in Manila, the
Mhm.
museum, one of the museum in
Yeah.
Manila.
Mhm.
Yeah, he's great. He's great.
Yeah, but it
Well,
was it,
it's
it was
so
so nice to
nice to
meet
meet
you, Teresa. Okay,
Nice
so
to
I
meet
hope
you.
soon we can see again. Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture of the mug you gave me. I really love it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, let me see
Okay.
it.
Bye.